Alright, out here working on the Trans Am again. Sanding some primer. A tail light bezels, marker light bezels, one of the spoiler pieces. It's a lot of work because this car has so many small little parts on it. But yeah, it's coming along. Hopefully I'm going to be painting it fairly soon. I want to try and do all these little small pieces together. The paint we're going to use has changed because you can't get the Rust-Oleum farm and implement paint in Canada in a gallon can, and the local Home Hardware actually had a really good sale on their paint, and we'll get to that later, but I think it's going to be pretty good. But I'll show you guys when I'm ready to paint it. Just trying to clean the garage up a little bit. I want to try and paint these small pieces today. It is ridiculously humid out. Look at all the crap that I have in this garage. It's like you never know what you're going to find. Unbelievable. Well, something happened. I think the can of the paint for the G8 was not closed properly. There's that single stage paint for the G8 that I use for touch-ups and stuff. It wasn't closed properly, so that's not good. So I fixed the fan, so it's got the guard on it, so it's not a spinning blade of death anymore. I don't know if I'm going to be able to paint today. It is ridiculously humid out, and I don't know. It's so hot. I'll let you know if we paint today or not. I guess I'll record it. Well, I'll talk to you guys later.